Hello, how is everybody doing today? I got a lot of stuff to show you. We'll start here. Go around the table. Hopefully it does not take that long. Got some Viewmasters that came with some reels over there in a really nice case. The case alone will go for like 20-30 bucks. Got a lot of ponies. Also came with these for 10 bucks. It definitely needs cleaned up a little bit, but we'll see how that does. Dory Build-A-Bear. Poe. That should be like 20 bucks. I paid about 50 cents for all of the plush. These are the bigger ponies. And my sister knows about this stuff, and this is actually a set. And the set could go for 30 bucks, I'm hoping. Now, there's a littler bag of ponies as well. Here it is. Just a crazy amount of ponies. My sister's going to come over and help me name all of them because I don't know the names. Her daughter loves My Little Pony, and she just knows all about it. We're going to comb their hair and have like a pony party. Yep, that's right, pony party. There's another Build-A-Bear. This is, I think his name is Spike from My Little Pony. That's like 10 bucks. Now, these are really cool Bubble Guppies. You may or may not know that series. That's probably like 10 bucks. This, depending on the size, goes for between like 20 and 30 bucks, which is really crazy and quite amazing. Now, let's go over here. There's not much left. We got this CD player. I think I paid like 2 or 3 bucks for it. Apparently it works. I'll test that out later. Got a bunch of pucks. I only wanted the Blackhawks one because I'm a Blackhawks fan, but there's Sharks, Ducks. There's a couple Buffalo Sabres, Cleveland Lumberjacks, a minor league team, Colorado Avalanche, and then we come over here and we got a stack of DVDs and books. I paid 50 cents a piece and they were buy 2 get 1 free. So they're just dirt cheap. And I kind of picked out the ones that were sealed. National Treasure, 18 Lone Survivor, Miracle on 34th Street, Apollo 13. Now, there's a bunch of Saw ones down here. Oh, don't fall over. A bunch of Saw ones I will just put together. So not bad. Then there's a bunch of books. So it did really well for spending 35 bucks. Here's the Viewmaster case, and see all those reels? A lot of those will be sold individually as well, so this definitely will take some time to do those and to do the ponies over there, but well worth the effort. It was a great day. Wanted to show you everything today. We did good. Adios.